Hi, my name is Robert. This video is designed to give you step-by-step detailed instructions on completing the task at hand. Please read the comments in the About section of this video. It has valuable information and updates. My YouTube channel has a disclaimer video that I encourage you to watch. And please like, share, and subscribe. I hope you found what you're looking for. Thank you very much for watching. We're going to do the air filter that's in here. 2 Phillips screws. So we're going to pull those screws out, take that air filter out. If you get those screws loose, you put your fingers under here, it just lifts right up and out, and you take the air filter out. And you could date this thing or whatever you want to do, but as you can see, this one's plenty dirty, ready to be changed. So we got a man one here that we're going to put in there. Just set it in there and mark your service records and replace that thing. 30,000 miles or so. This one's got a pre-filter. Set that thing in there like that. Make sure it's nice and snug in there. Guide it down in there. Make sure your screws are aligned. Massage that in. Let me use both hands so I can get that all the way in. Those screws go in plastic, so don't over tighten them, just snug them down. Hold that filter cartridge in place. You're good to go. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.